Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charles on Sequence Designs. Today we'll be looking on how you should arrange your profile picture, how your profile picture should be, and the perfect way to show out your profile picture. So without much further ado, let's get started. And as you can see, we are on our desktop, and here we have 6 pictures of different faces, you understand, and all these pictures are very okay and nice to be used as profile pictures. Profile pictures are supposed to be outstanding, should be face captured. It doesn't really matter the clothes you're putting on, but it's recommended you don't keep your chest open when you're having a profile picture to be captured. You understand? You need to put on something that at least look presentable and should be also nice. You understand? Always try to use a brighter background on your profile pictures. You can as well change your profile picture from colored pictures to black and white. You understand? On page 1 we have the colored part, and on page 2 we have the black and white picture. You understand? Most at times some people don't really appreciate black and white pictures. So today we'll be mainly talking about the colored pictures, and then we'll talk a little about the black and white pictures. But today we'll really be going on the colored pictures for you to have a very nice profile picture. As you can see, profile pictures stand in as your identity, that is means of identification. It also stand as your brand. Most companies or some other private or individual sectors do use their profile pictures as even their logo. You understand? So your profile picture is your brand. It's your own brand yourself. So once you're having a profile picture, make sure it's very presentable and nice for people to see. You can snap and later on remove the background and then give it a background that you want, but make sure your background is bright so that it can bring out your picture and face for people to easily see. You understand? So I've already done this here, but I'm still going to put you through on how you can easily create a nice and eye-catching profile picture. So I have these pictures this side. You understand? These are the pictures. I've removed their backgrounds already. You can also remove background in Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, or Photoshop. You can as well do this in Corel, and there are many online platforms that enables background removal, so that is not an issue. So the first thing to do, you can either do this in a box format or in a circular format. You understand? But today we're looking at the circular format. It's equally the same as doing it in a box format. You understand? So here I've selected the colors I would really like to be working with are 6 different colors, which I've already used them over here. So let's make use of this very one. I will check the picture over here. I think this is the picture. Let's bring it to the side. You create a box, a perfect box. Then let's give it a color. Let's give it white for now. Then you power click this inside. You right click and say power click inside. Good. And now I'm going to show you how you should arrange your profile picture in this circle. So make sure your face is out and is showing clearly. Don't overcover the picture within the circle. Give some negative space within the picture and the circle. You understand? Good. Now it's time to apply a background color. So for now we are going on this first color here. Good. So we use our eyedropper tool to pick and drop. Perfect. As you can see, this is already done. It is perfectly okay like this, but we'll have to give it a lightening from behind so that at least it can bring out the brightness of the picture. For you to do that, you can easily just go here and add a gradient. You add a gradient on the picture, behind the picture, to make it look nice, and a gradient we're going to be using white. It's a normal white gradient. So you click on it and you apply the gradient as white. As you can see, this is perfectly okay. You can also adjust it to the way you want it to be, but but I tell you, this is perfectly okay like this, and it's very pleasant to the eye. So this is how you should be making your profile pictures. Make them simple as possible and as easy as possible, so that they can be easily identified by people. Remember, your profile picture stands in as a brand, and it also stands as a means of identification. Please, thank you for watching. Today is just a brief tutorial or a guide on how you should keep your profile picture unique. Nothing more, nothing too unique today. I've come across numerous profile pictures on the internet, and I've been made to understand that people don't really take it serious when it comes to profile picture. And profile picture should be one of the main criteria when coming up on the internet, because you have to keep it so unique, so simple, easily identified, so that you can be recognized easily. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.